On specific information, the NCB Mumbai team raided at International Cruise Terminal, Green Gate, Mumbai, and Cordelia cruise ship on 2nd of October and intercepted 8 persons, namely Vikrant Chokar, Ishmeet Chadha, Arbaz A. Merchant, Aryan Khan, Mohak Jaiswal, Munmun Dhamecha, Nupur Sajita on the spot, along with various drugs like cocaine, mephedrone, charas, hydroponic weed, MDMA, and cash about 1,33,000, along with few suspects. Based on preliminary interrogation of the accused Mohak Jaiswal, a team of NCB Mumbai conducted a raid at Jogeshwari and intercepted one person, Abdul Qadir Sheikh, with ecstasy pills and commercial quantity of mephedrone in his possession on 3rd of October. Based on interrogation, the accused Ishmeet Singh Chadha, a follow-up operation was conducted at Goregaon, Mumbai by NCB Mumbai team, and they intercepted Shreyas Sundar Nair along with charas on 4th of October. Further, they intercepted Manish Raj Gadia, who was invited as a guest on ship, and recovered hydroponic weed, that is multi-strain cannabis, from him. NCB Mumbai also arrested one Avin Sahu, who sailed in the ship cruise Cordelia on consumption charges on 4th October. In further follow-up action, NCB team Mumbai arrested 4 persons, namely Gopal Ji Anand, Sameer Sehgal, Manav Singhal, and Bhaskar Arora, who are belonging to Event Management Company on 5th of October. In further follow-up, they have intercepted Achit Kumar with hydroponic weed, that is multi-strain cannabis, at Powai in Mumbai on 5th of October. All the seizure memos, that is panchnamas, were drawn as per provisions established by law. Few individuals were associated as independent witnesses. I'll read out their names: Prabhakar Sail, Kiran Gosavi, Manish Bhanushali, Orbe Gomez, Adil Usmani, V. Vaigankar, Arpana Rane, Prakash Bahadur, Shoaib Faz, Mohammed Ibrahim. As you can see, in total, 4 follow-up seizures have been effected after the seizure from cruise by following all due procedures as per rule and law. Investigation of the case is in progress. Some allegations leveled against the organizations are baseless and seem to have been with malice and probable prejudice that may have been harbored in retaliation against earlier legal action carried out by NCB. NCB reiterates that its procedure has been and will continue to be professionally and legally transparent and unbiased.